Hi early years, nice to see you again. We are going to be doing another math skills lesson today. So remember, I need your attention. So that means your eyes need to be facing my screen and looking carefully at some of the images that I have on there. I also need those listening ears to be turned on so you can hear exactly what I am saying. Okay, so let's turn them on. And at times I need you to help me out because I get stuck at maths and I need you to be my little maths problem solvers. I think you can really help me with this. So to get us started, we have got some key words that we need to be using in this maths lesson. And as we mentioned last time, another word for words is vocabulary. So we've got some key vocabulary for this lesson, okay? It's going to be my turn, your turn. So we're going to start with my turn. Part. Now your turn. Part. 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 Whole. 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 More. More. Less. 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 All together. All together, all together, total, total. Fantastic. So I want you to think about this vocabulary here. So we've got the word more. What is happening when I get more of something? When I get more, is my amount getting bigger or is my amount getting fewer? I wonder. Hold that thought and we're going to move on to today's lesson. We have a number blocks character. It's a different one to the last session that we did, but we do have a number blocks character and some of you might know this character really, really well. I want you to have a little bit of thinking time to think which character might that be. Off you go. Wonder. Have you figured it out? Do you think it is? Do you think it's character 5? No. 4? No. You're right. It is number blocks character 6. And I wonder how you figured that out. Some of you might know her really, really well. And you were able to subsidize that that was the number 6. Some of you might have spotted something else that told you a 6. So looking at this picture, how many different representations of the number 6 can you see with our number blocks character? So where can you spot 6? Where can you spot 6? Off you go. Good thinking. Great, I'm going to come and help you out. Some of you might have spotted that this number blocks character is carrying a dice. And the number on the face of that dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great, there are 6 dots on that die there. Brilliant. What else do you spot? Oh yes, we got the 6 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you're right, each number blocks character is made up of the same amount of blocks. So good spotting of that. Any more representations of 6? Oh yes, we've got the dots that are on our character as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots on our character. And some of you with really good eyesight might have spotted she has 6 lovely eyelashes, doesn't she? Great, well done if you've managed to spot even more 6 than I have. So we have our number blocks character and we have our empty tens frame. I need you to help me show this number blocks character in my tens frame. What number was it? Was it 4? No, it wasn't 4, it was the number 6. So if you can help me count, and we're going to try and show 6 in our tens frame. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I done? 5, 6. Yes, you're right. I needed one more, because one more than 5 is 6. So great, brilliant. We've got 6 as our number blocks character, and now we've got 5, 6 in our tens frame as well. So thank you very much for helping me. Now, who can remember who this character was? What number was this character? Yes, it's exactly the same character we've looked at. It is number 6 again. Remember, 6 dots on the die, 6 eyelashes, and 6 blocks. But this time I need you to show me in my tens frame that I have 6 cars. I'm lucky I've got 6 cars. Can you help me count 6 cars using my tens frame? Ready? Count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Am I done? No. How many do I need? One more. 5, 6. Brilliant. So we have 5, 6 cars, just like our 6 number blocks character. So well done if you managed to help me with that. Good work. Ooh. So we've got our number blocks character again, the same one. It is the number 6. 6. 6. Great. So we've got 6 in our number blocks character. We've also got 6 in our tens frame. Can we just double check that? Help me out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on my number line, I can't seem to find the number 6. Do you think you can help me out and spot the number 6 on my number line? Off you go. You spotted it? Right, number 6. No. 3, 4. Yeah, thank you very much for your help. That is the number 6 there. Shall we count just to double check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're right. So on your number line, 6 looks like this. In your number blocks character, 6 looks like this. And when you are using your tens frame, 6 looks like this. 5 and 1 more. Great work. Now, we have lots of ways to see the number 6. But one of these doesn't show the number 6. And I need you to spot which one doesn't show the number 6. Okay? See if you can find my odd one out. Which one doesn't show the number 6? Off you go. Pause the video if you need more time. Right, let's have a little look. Early years. So who's managed to spot the number block 6 character? Yes, we know that this is 6. So do we need to circle that one? No, we don't. That is not the odd one out. We know that that is 6. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And great, and some of you will recognise that this is the digit 6, and that's how we write it. Well done. Next. What about the tens frame? What do you think about the tens frame? You think it is 6. Should we check? I know that that's 5, What comes after 5? 6. 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we know that this is 6. Oh, my finger got stuck there. Maybe try and rub that out. Yeah, so we know that that is the number 6. What about this dice? What can we say? Yeah, it is. We can see it as the number 6. So well done, that is the number 6. So we just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Good work. Now we have 2 hands. How many fingers are shown on the hand? Yeah, we have 5 on one hand. 5 and 1 more than 5 is 5, 6. Yeah. So this is also another way we can see the number 6. I wonder, using your fingers, whether you can show me a different way to see the number 6. Okay, so we've got 6. Can you show me a different way, using your fingers, of how we can see the number 6? 5 seconds. 4, I'm watching. 3, 2, 1. Did anybody have that way? That is another way we can see 6. Did anybody have that way? That is another way we can see 6. Great. So there's lots of different ways we can see 6. Check with your parents at home if there is another way that you can make the number 6 with your hands. Finally, we have our number line. So we know that this is 6, this is 6, this is 6, and also this is 6. Is this 6? It looks a bit like a 6. You're right. No, that isn't a 6. That is the number 9. Excellent. So it's the number 9. This is actually the number 6. So the fact that that was circled, we need to circle this because this is the odd one out. Let's double check that it's not 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the number is too big to be 6. So well done if you managed to spot that. Oh, I have got a different activity. I have got a number written here, and I have an amount of some objects. And I need to see if these two match. So this number is the number 4. Yeah. So we need to ask ourselves, are there 4 flowers? If not, how many might there be? So are there 4 flowers? Shall we start counting them? Right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So have we got 4 flowers? No, we don't have 4 flowers. So we've got to cross the number 4. We can't say there are 4 flowers because there isn't 4 flowers. How many flowers are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 flowers. And we write our number 5 like that. Have a go at trying to write the number 5. Down, round, lovely, good work. Next, let's see if this is true or false. There are party hats. Wonder how many party hats there are. What number is this? Yes, well done. This is the number 3. There are number 3. So are there 3 party hats? Shall we count and see? 1, 2, 3. Yes, they might look different, but there are still 3 party hats. Well done. So we can write our sentence. There are 3 party hats. Why didn't you have a go at writing the number 3, just like me? Great, so there are 3 party hats. So I was telling the truth. Wasn't lying that time. Good work. Ooh, birds. I love birds. I love nature. Let's have a little look. How many birds do we have? Wonder if I'm telling the truth this time. I have said there are 5 birds. Yeah, well done if you managed to read that was number 5. Shall we see if there are 5 birds in my pictures? Have a look. Oh, there's a bird, there's a bird. Oh, 2 different types of birds. Shall we go? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's not 5 birds, there are 4 birds. Brilliant. So we're going to write the number 4. There are 4 birds. So yes, that's false. I was telling a lie. Okay, there are not 5 birds. There are 4 birds. My turn. There are 4 birds. There are 4 birds. Your turn to try and write the number 4. Down, across, down. Lovely, nice straight lines. Well done. Oh, next one. Oh, now got my favourite things, sweets. Hope you're not eating too many sweets, but we have a little problem here because Oliver has so many sweets, but I don't know how many he's got. Lachlan has this many sweets. I don't know how many he has. They have sweets all together. So we are going to try and find out how many sweets Oliver and Lachlan have all together. So what might I need to do? Yes, that's great. We should probably start and try and find out how many sweets Oliver has. So let's start counting them. He has 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get 4 as well? Brilliant. So Oliver has 4 sweets. Oliver has 4 sweets. Your turn. Oliver has 4 sweets. My turn. Oliver has 4 sweets. Your turn. Yes, he does. He has 4 sweets. Great. So if Oliver has 4 sweets, I wonder how many sweets Lachlan has. Should we count? See if you know. Oliver has 4 sweets, but Lachlan has 2, 3 sweets. So Lachlan has 3 sweets when Oliver has 4 sweets. Lachlan has 3 sweets when Oliver had 4 sweets. So Lachlan has 3 sweets. Lachlan has 3 sweets. Lachlan has 3 sweets. So now, if Oliver has 4 sweets, Lachlan has 3 sweets, how many sweets do they have all together? You're right, we're going to have to add the sweets up. So we know that Oliver has 1, 2, 3, 4 sweets. So we know he has 4. We've got to keep on counting to see how many Lachlan has as well. So we've got 4, 5 sweets, 6 sweets, 7 sweets. We have 7 sweets all together. So they have 7 sweets all together. So 4 add 3 is the same as 7. Okay, so if I had 4 and I had 3, I have the same as 7. With the 4 and 3, I've got the same as 7. Lovely. So Oliver has 4 sweets. Lachlan has 3 sweets. They have 7 sweets altogether. Oliver has 4 sweets. Lachlan has 3 sweets. They have 7 sweets altogether. Great, you've used your part whole model to help you solve that problem. So well done, early years. Now, we're going to move our solved problem onto a tens frame to show that it will help us do exactly the same thing. So how many sweets did Oliver have? Yes, Oliver had 4 sweets. So we're just going to move Oliver's 4 sweets into my tens frame. Just give me a moment. Perfect, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are right, that's what 4 looks like in our tens frame. So Oliver has 4 sweets. Lachlan has 3. And now we can see how many they have altogether. So we know that this is 5. Should we double check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Oliver had 4 sweets, Lachlan had 3. 4 and 3 together is the same as 7, as we can see on our tens frame. So well done if you managed to spot that. Now we're going to show our working out from our tens frame on a number line this time. How many sweets did Oliver have? Yeah, can you spot it on our number line? Yes, good work. So Oliver has 4 sweets, a good spot. And now we are going to add the other 3 sweets that Lachlan has. Are we ready? 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. Circle where we land. Yes, so 4 add 3 is equal to 7. Can remember our tens frame? 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. We get the same answer. Fantastic. So there's lots of different ways that we can see our addition problems. Well done if you managed to spot that. Now, I know you are super good at this, so we want to get it going. See if you can spot which number is missing. We're going to count to help us. So you ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it was 7. Let's continue. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Brilliant. Now we're going to count forwards nice and quickly. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Great work. So you are right. This was the number 7. Why don't we have a little go at writing the number 7? Go across and down. And maybe mum, dad, grandma, brother might correct your number 7 if it isn't quite like mine. Are we ready? Got another number that is missing. I'm going to give you a few moments to think about which number is missing. Off you go, have a think. Have you figured it out? Oh, I wonder, should we count and check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, well done if you managed to say the number 12. 12 was our missing number. Let's keep counting from 12 to this number here. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, this is the number 20. Well done for recognising that 2-digit number there. Right, last of all, we are going to count backwards from that number before I'm leaving you with your last problem of the day. So let's count backwards. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. That rocket's so high up in the sky now. Well done. And your last problem for today is this one here. Which number's missing? Off you go. Try and figure it out. Which one's missing? I'll give you a few moments to think. Have you got what you think it is? Should we check? I wonder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I hope you're counting with me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Fantastic. And when we write the number 16, we have 1 10 and we have 6 1s. So just like our number block character, 6. Great work. I know I said you were finished, but because you spotted that so quickly, I've got a bigger challenge for you. Are you ready? I think you've got it. There's your bigger challenge. I now just don't have one missing number. I have 3 missing numbers. So you might want to pause the video and take a moment to think about what is missing. Off you go. Pause that video. Did you get it? What number did you think was missing there? Tell me, what did you think it was? You think it was 6? Should we see? I'll write that there before we count. What missing number there? 16 again. Number 16. Oh wow, I wonder if it is. What about this last missing number? What did you think it was? 20. I missed out that big number, 20. 2 10s, 0 1s. Right, let's see if you got it right. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done if you managed to find any of my missing numbers there, because yes, you were right, we were missing the number 6, we were missing the number 16, and we were missing the number 20. I wonder how you figured that out and whether you can tell the person that you're sitting next to how you managed to do that. That would be really, really helpful. But thank you very much, early years. I hope you're staying safe. Bye.